So what makes this old 1995 Ford E150 Ford van, what makes this better than a 2007 crew cab dually that has all the bells and whistles? Well, I'll tell you my little story. I went shopping for a new truck, $30,000, and I think luckily for me I couldn't get the financing on it, so I thought, you know what, I got this old van here and it's always been a good one, never gave me any trouble, 185,000 miles, and I thought, well, I can use this here to pull a trailer. It's got the 351 in it, 5.8 liter, and actually before I tried to get that truck, I tried to do some improvements to this van, because I've had it for about 5 years, and as you can see here, I took out the captain seats. I was using it as a cargo van, and I used it a lot as a cargo van for my work. So I did a few things to it. I added some interior lights here, some LED interior lights, which it never had before. Every time I open the door at night, it's so dark. So I did a little improvements like that. I fixed some door panels where, like, the door panel pockets were loose. I fixed all that up. Fixed the speakers were sounding pretty bad, so I fixed up the speakers. And I added a few little things like this cover, which it didn't have before. I had a piece of leather, so I sewed it up, and I got a cover to cover my stuff so that we can't see it so well. So this is what I've got. I made myself a list of things to do. It's kind of a long list, and I'm going to start going through this stuff. There at the bottom is stuff that I did yesterday, marked it off on my list. So actually, yeah, yesterday I went and I took it out to the car wash and I degreased the engine, so I made it look better, changed the oil, put a new air cleaner in there. And then last night, one of the things on my list was to polish the headlight lenses. So last night I did one side of the car here. So anyway, that's what they both looked like before. That's the before, and this is the after. And at night I could notice a huge difference in the brightness of the headlights. So as you might suspect, what my logic was, okay, do I spend $30,000 on a truck, or do I spend maybe $1,000 in parts and materials, not including labor, it's all my labor, to basically restore this van to my specification, what I want it to be? And I guess I kind of answered my own question. It's always been a good van, and I think I'm just gonna go with it. Been giving it a lot of thought, and give this one here a makeover. You know, I only paid $2,000 for this van like 5 years ago, so I paid like almost nothing for it. It's been a good van, so I think it can continue to serve me, but I can build it my way. I plan on having it for another number of years, and I think at 185,000 miles it's still strong. So if you guys like what you see and want to see the progress on this van, hit that subscribe button and like the video if you can for me, and we'll do this journey here together. We're just beginning this right now. It's just a thought, and next is planning. And with that, we're just gonna close this video for now, and we'll see you guys next time.